Hello everyone. Today we are here with one more Olympiad paper organized by Orange Global Olympiad Organization for grade 1, and it is for subject Cyber Olympiad, and it is for class 1. It has total 30 questions. Let's see the paper. Starting from section A, that is logical reasoning. Question number 1. Which words make the following statement true? 93-39. Options given are is greater than, is less than, is equal to, comes before. As we know, 93 is greater than 39, so option A will complete the given statement. A option is correct. Question number 2. Look at the following pattern. If we see a pattern has been given with two squares, then one triangle, two blanks, one triangle, then two squares, one triangle, again two squares, one triangle. It means the pattern has two squares, then one triangle, two squares, one triangle, two squares, one triangle. It means if we follow the same pattern in the given dashes, in the given blanks, two squares will come, and they are given in option C. Question number 3. If P buys a ticket Q and R buys a ticket for S, then who will V buy a ticket for? Let's see the pattern given. P is buying ticket for Q, R is buying ticket for S, and similarly V is buying ticket for the next person in the series. P is buying for the next Q, R is buying for the next person S. Similarly, V will buy ticket for the next person W. So option D, W is the correct answer. Question number 4. Arrange 45, 12, 89 and 67 in increasing order. We have given with 4 numbers, we have to arrange them in the increasing order. So first we will write the smallest number, and the smallest number is 12, then 45, then 67, and at last 89, and it is given in option C, 12, 45, 67, 89. So option C is correct. Question number 5. Which is the fourth letter from left end in the given word? If we see a word has been given BUTTERFLY, butterfly, we have to find out fourth letter from left end, and this is the left end B. We have to count fourth, 1 2 3 4. T is the fourth letter, and it is given in option A. Question number 6, section B, subject specific section. As the paper is of cyber, it will ask questions related to cyber, that is computers. Let's see. Question number 6. Which of the tasks given below can a computer can do for us? Play cricket? No, computer can't play cricket for us. Wash clothes? No. Solve sums? Yes, it can solve sums. So option C is correct. Which of these look like an animal? Monitor option is given in the picture. Mouse is given in the picture, and CPU is given as the picture. This is scanner is given as the picture. This option B, mouse, looks like an animal, and it looks like mouse, that is rat. Option B is correct. Next question, question number 8. How many alphabet keys are there on the keyboard? In keyboard, alphabet keys are ranging from A to Z, and they are 26 in number. So option C with 26 number is correct. Question number 19. Choose the correct option. A picture has been given. It is a picture of a mouse. Let's read what is the statements have been given in option A, B, C and D. In option A, 1 is the right button, yes. 2 is the left button, yes. And 3 is the scroll wheel. No, 3 is the right button, 2 is the scroll wheel, and 1 is the left button. Let's see. 1 is left button, yes. 2 is scroll wheel, yes. 3 is right button. So option B is correct. Option A is incorrect. Option C is also incorrect because 1 is left, 2 is right. 2 is the scroll wheel, not right button. In option D also 1 is given scroll wheel. No, 1 is the left button, and it is given in option B only. That is correct. So option B is the answer. Question number 10. What is the name of the tool given in the picture? If we see a picture has been given of a tool, and it is the text tool in MS Paint. So option C is written with the text tool. Correct option is C. Next question, question number 11. Where does the Tux Penguin give suggestions in Tux Paint? For the suggestions, it is the help area and it is given in A option, help area. So A is correct. Question number 12. I can identify hurdles while I am cleaning. Who am I? I can identify hurdles. Hurdles means some obstacles is there when it cleans. A is the microwave. No, it doesn't clean. B is the mopping of the floor. Mop. And C is some Alexa. My speaker is there. And D is washing machine. Only B option, that is mopping the floor. It is the mop. It is the electric machine and it will help in cleaning of the house, and it can identify hurdles when some obstacle come in between. It rounds, it takes turns. So option B is correct. Question number 13. How are the letters on a standard keyboard arranged? If we have seen the keyboard anytime and its letters are arranged in the form of QWERTY and it is known as QWERTY keyboard. So option C, QWERTY, it is known as, pronounced as QWERTY. So option C is correct. Question number 14. Choose the correct sequence of steps to save your drawing in Tux Paint. If we want to save any drawing in Tux Paint, we have to do some steps. Let's see what is given. Click on open button. No. Click on save button. Yes, it is correct. We have to click on save button to save our drawing, and option B is correct. Question number 15. Where can we find the given tool in the paint window? If we see a tool has been given and we have to see where it is available in the paint window. If we see, it is the line tool. Let's read the options. A, clipboard group. No. Colors group. No. Shapes group. Yes, it comes under shapes group. So option C is correct. Question number 16. Match the parts of a mouse with their functions. Let's see column A and column B. Left button, right button, scroll wheel, mouse pointer. Moves the pointer on the screen. Select and open items. Opens a menu when clicked. Helps to scroll up and down. If we match A will be matched with second option, because with the help of left button we can select and open the item. We will match A with second, 2 means, then right button B option. Right button will open a menu when clicked. We will match B with third. Similarly, we will match C with fourth. It helps to scroll up and down. D, mouse pointer, moves the pointer on the screen. D with first, and it is given in option A only, and so option A is correct. Now question number 17. See question number 17 on the next page. Which of the following statements about the keyboard is correct? The keys on the keyboard are used to draw pictures. No. The keyboard has only number keys. No. The keys on the keyboard are used to type letters and numbers. Yes, C option is correct. Question number 18. Select the correct match. This is monitor is written, this is printer written, this is speakers written, this is mouse written. Only this is correct, speakers. Others are incorrect because this is the picture of mouse, this is another picture, and this is another picture, and the names are incorrect. Question number 19. What does form effect do in Tux Paint? Form effect, let's read the options. A, add the bubbles in the drawing, makes the drawing blur, adds shapes in the drawing, gives the dripping effect. Form effect will add bubbles in the drawing, so option A is correct. It will make bubbles. Question number 20. Which of the following function is a function key? We have to find out the function key. Options are shift, enter, letter A, F5, and F5 is the function key, so option D is correct. Question number 21. Which key is the longest key on the keyboard? And we all know spacebar key is the longest key, so option A is correct. Question number 22. How many buttons does a computer mouse usually have? In a computer mouse there are usually 2 buttons, left click and mouse right click, so option C with 2 answer is there. Now question number 23. Which key is used to undo a mistake in MS Paint? We use the shortcut key to undo any mistake. Let's read the options. Ctrl plus Z, Shift plus A, Enter key, Backspace key, and we use Ctrl plus Z, so option A is correct. Question number 24. In Tux Paint, where do we select different colors? Options given are from the toolbar, from the color palette, from the shapes menu, from the magic tool. So we will select colors from the colored palette. Option is B. Question number 25. Read the given statements and identify the device. Let's read statement 1. It is used for typing letters and numbers. Number 2. It has many buttons called keys. Let's read the options: mouse, monitor, keyboard, printer. And if we see statement 1 and 2 are talking about the keyboard. Option C is correct. Now last section, section C, competency enhancement. Let's read question number 26. Anupam wants to delete a portion of his drawing. Which tool will help him do so? First is eraser, second is the zoom option, third is fill with color, and fourth is paintbrush. We want to delete some portion. We will use eraser for that. Option A. Question number 27. Nikita is a student of class 1. Her computer teacher has asked her to categorize the following keys as numeric, alphabet, and special keys. She has been unable to do that. As a good friend, help her categorize the keys. We have been given with 3 keys. One is the enter key, second is number key, and third is the Z alphabet key. So we have to categorize this. 1. First is the special key, option D. Second is the numeric key, and third is the alphabet key. It is given in option D. So option D is correct. Question number 28. We use our eyes to see things around us. In the same way, what device do we use to see the output on a computer? If we want to see the output on a computer, we have to tell which device is used. Let's see. Keyboard, no. Monitor, yes. Monitor is an output device and we can see the output of any command given by us, any input given by us on the monitor. So option B is correct, monitor. Now it's time for the question number 29, last page of the paper. Ananya is using Tux Paint on her computer. She selects a tool and starts typing her name on the drawing. She wants to add words to her picture. What tool is Anaya using? Let's see the options: brush tool, eraser tool, text tool, and shapes tool. We all know to write some text on any of the paint software, for example MS Paint or Tux Paint, we use text tool, and here also she has to type her name on the drawing, so she will use text tool, option C. Now Arav is talking, question number 30, last question. Arav is talking to his smart speaker at home. He says, play my favorite song, and the speaker starts playing music without pressing any buttons. What technology is Arav using? Let's see. Robot, voice assistant, keyboard, paint tool. As he is talking to his smartphone and the smart speaker is listening him, smart speaker is listening, it means it is recognizing its voice, so it is the voice assistant, option B. So guys, so friends, the paper is over. We will be back with some another paper in the next video. Kindly share the video, share the channel with others so that others can also get to it. And this was another paper of OGO grade 1 cyber. For more papers like this, for more videos, informative videos like this, kindly share our channel with others and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone.